Hey there, the crypto exchange's move to withdraw its license in Germany comes amid reports that the exchange faced rejection from regulators. Binance has withdrawn its cryptocurrency custody license application in Germany. The exchange confirmed its withdrawal to Cointelegraph on July 26, nearly a month after reports of rejections from the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, BaFin. On June 29, BaFin reportedly rejected the crypto exchange's custody license. However, at the time, it was unclear whether the regulator officially denied Binance's application or if it verbally informed the company. However, Binance has now confirmed that it has formally withdrawn its license application. A spokesperson from Binance told Cointelegraph that it intends to reapply for a license in Germany, with changes to its application reflecting the changes in the regulatory environment. Binance confirms that it has proactively withdrawn its BaFin application. The situation, both in the global market and regulation, has changed significantly. Binance still intends to apply for appropriate licensing in Germany, but it is essential that our submission accurately reflects these changes. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao said it would focus on becoming compliant with the European Union's markets in crypto assets, MiCA, regulations to offer its services in European countries. However, its European expansion plans have taken a setback amid its regulatory troubles in the United States. The crypto exchange is facing multiple investigations in the US from financial regulators. The crypto exchange is also under investigation in France since early 2022. Related, don't follow the US, blockchain. A US CEO hammers regulation by enforcement. Before its withdrawal from Germany, the crypto exchange also exited the Dutch market after failing to secure a virtual asset service provider license from regulators in the country. The crypto exchange also applied to wind down its services in the United Kingdom and Cyprus. Collect this article as an NFT to preserve this moment in history and show your support for independent journalism in the crypto space. ChatGPT. In a recent development, Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, has withdrawn its application for a cryptocurrency custody license in Germany. The news came to light on July 26 and was confirmed to Cointelegraph by Binance. This action comes in the wake of reports from late June indicating that the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, or BaFin, had rejected the exchange's license application. The context of this move is important. Back in June, BaFin had reportedly rejected Binance's request for a crypto custody license. It remained uncertain at the time if the rejection was an official denial or merely a verbal communication to the firm. In response to these events, Binance has now confirmed its formal withdrawal of the license application, an act that holds considerable implications for the crypto giant's operations in Germany. Binance has stated, through a spokesperson, that they plan to reapply for the license in Germany. The future application is to be tailored to address changes in the global market and regulatory environment. As the spokesperson expressed to Cointelegraph, the situation, both in the global market and regulation, has changed significantly. Binance still intends to apply for appropriate licensing in Germany, but it is essential that our submission accurately reflects these changes. The CEO of Binance, Changpeng Zhao, has indicated that the company would channel its focus on complying with the European Union's markets in crypto assets, MiCA, regulations. This focus forms part of their strategic plan to expand their services in European countries. However, Binance's European ambitions have faced significant hurdles amid their ongoing regulatory issues in the United States. Binance is currently under investigation from several U.S. financial regulatory bodies and has been since early 2022. Furthermore, they have also been subject to regulatory scrutiny in France. Binance's regulatory woes aren't just confined to Germany and the US. In fact, the exchange previously exited the Dutch market after being unable to secure a virtual asset service provider license from regulators in the country. The exchange is also seeking to wind down its services in the United Kingdom and Cyprus, indicating a challenging environment for the crypto giant. Binance's decision to withdraw its license application in Germany underscores the global shift towards more robust regulation of the cryptocurrency market. Countries worldwide are making efforts to mitigate the risks associated with cryptocurrencies, such as money laundering and financing of terrorism, which has resulted in a tightening of regulatory controls. For companies like Binance, these regulatory changes necessitate a proactive approach, with the ability to adapt their strategies to remain compliant. As regulatory frameworks continue to evolve, companies operating in the cryptocurrency space will likely face increased scrutiny and will need to adjust their operations to ensure compliance. Despite these regulatory challenges, Binance remains committed to applying for a license in Germany, reflecting its dedication to maintaining a presence in key markets. It will be crucial to watch how Binance navigates these regulatory waters in the future, and how its decisions impact the broader cryptocurrency industry. Stay safe and stay informed. See you there.